Hey comrades, so today is December 22nd and we're gonna leave Punta at Gonzaga Bay and I'm gonna go to Las Animas. It's just south off-road kind of drive from Bahia de California. We are in kind of a rush. We need to leave by 10 o'clock. Tide is coming in, and once it's in, this whole patch to drive onto this little island we have is gonna be covered. So we're gonna leave in about an hour and a half, or probably an hour now. But there is something I needed to do yesterday and I forgot. I want to take shower. However, I've never taken shower with this roof setup. This is first time. Before I had crossbars, so I would just hang this thing on the crossbar. But now I came up, well, while on this trip I have rake, and actually it's part of my permanent setup now. So rake, it's kind of stuck between roof pod. I'm just gonna hang this thing on that. Now I know I don't need to come up with something new because I always carry a rake. Can just use that. The reason I'm running the engine is because I want to make sure one of my drone batteries is full right now, and actually my camera batteries were charging kind of slow overnight, and maybe it's something with my charger. I don't have used much in this battery and other ones are kind of depleted. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's my plug-in doesn't work as good anymore. Anyway, shower time. Well, water didn't heat up yet fully. It's actually kind of cold still. Well, I'll manage like this. We gotta really hurry up. We have a narrow gap here. We need to leave like 5 minutes from now. Yay, we made it out.
Almost.
Yeah, he got almost a little stuck. Me too, almost a little stuck. But overall, not bad. So we're just finishing packing basically.
Yeah.
We kind of rushed packing. I just dumped a bunch of stuff in here. That's a good thing about truck bed. You can just dump things. All right, so let's head out to Bahia de California. Man, as we refilled at Gonzaga gas station and started to take off, I realized I forgot my two crab traps, well, that minnow trap and crab trap, sitting on the shore, catching something overnight. So that's a loss of half an hour pretty much, or more. So I'm returning back because they're, you know, not cheap, it's money. While they'll go back to that little marketplace at the gas station, wait for me there. Tide is in. I'll need to cross water, by feet, cross water. Damn it! I knew I forgot something. All right, I got my stuff. One trap here. Stinky bait is still there. I did lots of paper towels there because it's all wet. Bait is still there, the jars of bait. So it's gonna stink up a little bit over the next 4 hours. I didn't want to take it out, so it's nice and smelly for the next spot. Alright, time to meet the guys. So we are finally back on Highway 3, this portion to Cocos Corner and to connect with Bahia de Los Angeles. Overall, the trucks, construction trucks, everything kind of stayed where they were last year, because we passed it at night 2 days ago on the way here. But now I'm riding during daytime and I see differences. Yeah, like there's certain detours we had to take last time. Now we're just going kind of straight through, but the maps officially still show, hey, go to take those detours, that's where paths are. It's good to be back at Cocos Corner, and I used to have a sticker right on this wall somewhere over here, but he's been renovating. Although the North Shore sticker is still here that I put, and there used to be lots and lots and lots of panties hanging, but he's been making new roof, so everything came down. So more Canadians here from Alberta. We're at Alberta.
Calgary.
Calgary.
We used to live in Lethbridge. Oh, okay.
Lethbridge, yeah.
Yes.
No le echaron suficiente cemento.
Yeah, it was not just enough cement. He's just telling the story about the bridges.
Le echaban nada más la mitad del saco y la otra mitad se le iban a su casa.
They used just half of the portion of the sack, you know, a sack of cement to build the bridges.
Yeah.
And then the other half they took it home.
So they've been building this road, Highway 3, for about 15 years now.
Pretty much he told me, well, why instead of driving in the highway, which is a piece of shit anyway, right, why don't you turn around 10K that way, and then where is a big block of concrete we turn left until vamos a ver ¿qué cosa después de la práctica?
Una piedra grande blanca.
We're gonna see a
The white rock, big one.
huge
You can
white
ride
rock.
in the top and camping in the top.
Where we
And
can
tomorrow you
actually
can see
camp
the
all on top in
borrego,
the camp.
the
Top,
deer.
no, sorry, camp in top of the rock, and then we will see coyotes and deers and
Venado, posiblemente
Yeah.
borrego.
and some kind of ram drinking out of the water because there's a nearby creek going down. There's fresh water, and then we could keep it just going on.
Whew, so it was good to be back at Coco's Corner, and finally I had Pacifico. I like Pacifico. So first time this trip in Mexico. Well, purchase from him, just purchase for everyone, whatever. Give him some tips. Cool guy. And he suggested like a scenic route for us, but we're running out of time. We just need to hit highway and get to Bahia de California. Like again, if it wasn't time, plus it's not even my time, it's these guys' time. They only have with me till probably 28th, and then they need to ride 2 days back to for 30th to Tijuana, probably even 27th. So they got limited time. We need to like rush to known camp spots. Alright, we have arrived at Bahia de California, small little town. We actually stayed in a hotel here last time with Brad and Brett. And yeah, Rod and his family just missing a little bit of that ceviche and all this home food, but they can get authentic stuff in Vancouver. So we're gonna stop at restaurant. And actually, I want restaurant as well. I wanna pack food into food jar for later. So this pulpo ceviche. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. So yeah, same spot where we stayed last year. Beautiful sunset, red. Oh yeah, last year I was looking for a place to stay. These guys were gonna stay in a hotel. I was like, no, I'm gonna stay at the campground. So that used to be some old campground where we stayed.
Rica esa salsa, ¿no?
Well, I tried it with chili.
Diablo shrimp something,
Está deliciosa.
scallop and shrimp cocktail, and ceviche to go.
You wanna try the salsa, Victor?
Well, yeah, I kind of dipped, but
Yeah.
never finished the dip. Yeah, I remember you, one-eyed guy. He's so like, if you start petting him, he just won't leave you alone.
That's fine.
Yeah, beautiful moon. An amazing camera and lens. I still can't believe how well it shoots at night. 1.4 f-stops. I think he's gonna do it. There you go. There you go. Mark his territory. A little autograph here. I just didn't even realize people stick stickers here from last time. It's absolutely delicious. Awesome.
Sí, mi amor. Es que yo porque acabamos de tomar la cerveza, yo me sentía súper empanzonada.
Amazing dinner, was awesome. So 2-hour drive to the most awesome spot supposedly, and we're gonna be chilling there for 2 days. And I think what this is pretty much our last camping with him. He's gonna have to leave on 20. Well, we'll descend to Guerra Negro and camp out there on the wharf, old wharf, I think. And pretty much after that we split. So somewhere around 27th, I'll continue to Cabo San Lucas. It's pitch dark. We have arrived at Los Animas. Like this stuff on camera, I can't see with my naked eye, so that's kind of cool. I'm getting to see what the place looks like as well. Yes, there's a little fishing boat there, and fisherman like RV Airstream type part. It's definitely turned out to be a long day. What was supposed to be a 4-hour drive turned into probably 3-hour on the highway, and then this whole stretch from Bahia to California. Well, we ate in the restaurant, but still, it's a long drive, so next 2 days is gonna be worth it to just relax. We only found this patch of land here right now. Like, we traveled further towards that place over there, but the road seemed like it wasn't driven for quite some time, and sand was loose, sandy road, so we're like, no, let's get to this place here. So I think tomorrow we'll do a little bit of Scott, and maybe there's a little better spot somewhere here. So until tomorrow, ciao. Hey comrades, don't forget to hit that like button and also leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you should by hitting that subscription button and also bell notification next to it, so you can actually get my video updates both in notification in your video feed, and as well you can support this channel if you like my videos through PayPal or Patreon in the links down below or just after this video.